Hey guys, best original reviews, and today I have another unboxing, obviously, because that's what we do on this channel, and it's my new Janoskis I got, and they're from CCS.com, obviously. It's where I get everything. What else? Let me turn up the music. Alright, so they took about 3 days to ship, like usually, but first off, I want to say thank you so much. You got us to, 234 subscribers. That may not sound like a lot, but to me it is. 234 subscribers, that's just crazy to me. That's 234 of you guys. I just want to say thank you so much. Last video, it was a 200th subscriber video. That's when we had 200. With this video, we now have 234. So I'm very happy about that. And I just want to say thank you. So let's get to the unboxing. Geico, the shipping information. I got the Nike SB Stefan Black Mint, the Janoskis, the Black and Mint, and it came with 20 for 20% off your next order over $99. Just a code and stuff. Alright, get to the shoes. And these are from CCS.com. I'll put the link in the description, like always. And what was I just gonna say? Oh yeah, I'll do close-ups at the end. So here they are. I already have a pair of Janoskis. They're not down here, but they're all gray. It's light gray, then dark gray, whatever. But I got these. It's black with the mint. And then the bottom has a mint on it also. And I got the 10.5. Yeah, and it comes with extra laces. I probably will keep them white for a while, so it's just not all black, because I'll do close-ups because the laces, it has like mint on the inside. So I'll show you that, but it comes with black laces also. And at the end of this video, I have like a little teaser, surprise, I don't know. But it's just, last year I longboarded, but barely. And the last time I did it, I got stitches right here. And that didn't go well. That didn't go well at all. So this year I'm starting up again, longboarding and skateboarding. So I have a video of just my first bombing hill, but it wasn't a big hill, you know, it's just the first of the year. So I was excited about that. I'll put like a little clip from that, but that's what I got. Okay, so again, I got the shoes, Janoskis, Stefan Janoskis. I got mint and black, and on the laces, I hope you can see this. Let me try to get a good view of it. I can't, but, well, kind of. It seems dark in the middle of the laces, but that's mint. And got the mint Nike symbol. Mint Nike. Mint bottoms. White lining around. Just a black, white. What is it called? Trimming. Stitches, black stitches, whatever. Inside is just basic. Yeah, they're just regular Janoskis and then just some black laces.